Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. So today we actually have a video about general aviation headset. If you guys are looking for a good headset so that you guys can actually be flying, then I recommend you guys try these out. This is going to be my first time. I hear a lot of good things about it, a lot of good reviews. It's the Rugged Air, the RA200. It has performance, comfort, value. It has right there the Rugged Air RA200 Black General Aviation Pilot headset. It's brand new. It's made in Korea and And comes with a it comes with a free bag, and that's gonna be the bag right there. It says right here that it has a 7-year warranty. So, I mean, I guess that's a good thing. I guess they're backing it up, guaranteeing that it's going to be a good headset. So that's something good to know. All right. I'm just going to open up and show you all the accessories, components, and stuff. And you guys decide whether you guys like it or not. I will be making another video, so don't forget to like and subscribe. So right here, as I'm pulling it out, sorry guys, I'm only using one hand. So don't need that no more. All right, so this is the brand. This is the bag that they're giving out for free. That's cool. You get to put your headset right there. We're just gonna open it up like whatever it is. Yeah. Sorry guys, I'm actually using one hand. Okay, so there it is, the rugged radios. So I guess your headset goes in there, pretty spacious in there. So your headset could go in there and everything. So that's pretty good. That's cool. Let me move the box out of the way. There's nothing in there. So now I have the headset right here ready to go. They put in these little gel packs. You don't need that. Now for the headset, check out these. Whoa, brand new Rugged Air. Check it out. Look at all that. Pretty tough. I mean, it's turn that around so you guys can see that. Rugged Air headsets.com. Cool. Looks like it has some gels right here. Let me squish them. Good gels, by the way. Look at that. Nice. They come back like that. Nice. Heavy duty, dude. Wow. For sure. These might definitely last. Yeah, these definitely will last. Yeah. Yeah, definitely. Okay. Let's check it out. Let's take this out. That's the mic right there for the pilot when he talks. It's pretty good. Wow, this is good. It's nice. Yeah, it's pretty good. I like it. Oh man, look at that. Yeah, I like that. Well, that's really cool. So yeah, I mean, I haven't tested it out, but I will, and I will make a video about it. Hopefully you guys check it out as well. But right now we're just doing the unboxing. So it looks like the ear cups are pretty squishy. I guess the gel or the foam that's in there, it's actually really good. It is pretty heavy duty, as you can tell, or as you can see. See from the inside. It's all nice. I ended up getting this headset for like less than $100, or close to $100. So that's how it looks like. It looks like you can connect something right here so that you can, I guess, connect it to your phone or something. And the cable, check out the cable. Let me take this out. It's a long cable. All right, that's really good. It's a really long cable. Looks like it's like 3 feet or a little bit longer than that. These aux, I guess. Yeah, it has like 2. It has a big one, a big aux cable on this one. And then on this one it has a thin one. It looks pretty good. Worth the price, definitely worth the price. Hopefully they work as good. Can't wait to test them. And hopefully they pass. And I think this is where you increase the volume and lower the volume, or something like that. But yeah, everything looks really good. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. So on my next video, I'm basically gonna test these out. I'm gonna take them for a flight test. So watch that video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys. Well, thank you everybody for watching. And okay, bye.